noise again?
And again! What is that noise?
Felipe, that noise, it's coming from your tummy.
His tummy? It is Felipe's tummy.
But why is your tummy making that noise, Felipe?
Yo sé, I know why Felipe's stomach is growling. No comió desayuno. He didn't eat breakfast. You must be hungry, Felipe.
Oh,